Thanks, cheese. Thanks, Nathan. This is about when the neighbors start all opening the doors and the windows saying, "What's Chris cooking?" I probably forgot to mention that it's 100 degrees out here, didn't I? Maybe even a little bit more. It's hard not to gulp it down.
Your own set of priorities.
My own set of priorities. Thank you, Bill Goudy. You're dying to know what's in there, aren't you? This video is not about my double-decker Dutch oven cooking. It's about my Mexican street corn. All right, let's go get that corn off the grill. For the first stage, anyway. All right, we gotta put these back on the grill for a little while. This time I'm putting them over direct heat. Take my little pork chops off. Smells good. I'm only gonna keep them on here for a little while just to brown that butter up a little bit, get it melted in there good. I gotta get it hot so that when I put it in the cheese will stick on there. While that's browning, I'm gonna go make up the sauce. It's easy. Duke's mayonnaise. I got 3 pieces of corn, so I'm gonna use 3 spoons. I got 3 pieces of corn, so I'm gonna use kind of a little bit of a spicy kind of a mayonnaise sauce. It's getting dark out there, but I'm gonna go get that corn. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you quickly what I got cooking in the double decker. Oh yeah, pinto beans and cornbread and corn over there. Now you know why I left these handles on here. You guys, out of control. These dogs are crazy. Back to the grill one more time. That's a good beer. Oh, it turned out good. I'm ready to eat. Well, y'all can see I got a big plate of food to eat. Got my Mexican street corn, pinto beans with cornbread. I sprinkle little onions on top and put a little Texas Pete on that. Then I just got a pork chop, boneless pork chop, cheapest thing I could find. Anyway, I'm about to eat. But as usual, I do want to say thanks for joining me. And remember, get your cast iron out. Do something with it. It's not meant to just sit there in the garage. See ya.